Tired of tugging and adjusting? Meet the ultimate high-waisted cotton panties that stay put. Are you fed up with underwear that rolls, digs, and rides up at the worst times? Whether it's during a workout or just a busy day, uncomfortable panties can ruin your focus and confidence. Enter Molasus Women's High-Waisted Cotton Underwear, a game-changer for women seeking comfort, support, and durability. Designed to tackle the most common underwear woes, these panties deliver all-day comfort and functionality without sacrificing style. They're the perfect solution for anyone tired of constantly adjusting or replacing low-quality underwear. Molasus panties are crafted with a premium 95% combed cotton and 5% spandex blend, ensuring softness, stretch, and breathability. Unlike flimsy fabrics, this material wicks moisture, resists pilling, and maintains shape even after countless washes. The high-waisted design provides gentle tummy support, reducing muffin tops while staying securely in place. No more rolling or bunching, just smooth, breathable comfort that works as hard as you do. It's the upgrade your underwear drawer has been waiting for. Tired of underwear that digs in and leaves marks? Molasus panties feature a double-layer covered waistband with elastic that's soft and supportive without pinching or squeezing. The bind-proof leg openings offer freedom of movement and prevent riding up, no matter your activity level. Whether you're lounging, working out, or recovering post-pregnancy, these panties deliver a secure fit without discomfort. Say goodbye to fidgeting and hello to fuss-free comfort. Durability meets convenience with these machine-washable and pre-shrunk briefs. Their fabric blend and advanced steam pre-shrinking technology ensure they last through wash cycles without losing shape. With reinforced seams and sweat-wicking properties, they handle your busiest days while keeping you cool and dry. Save time, money, and frustration by investing in underwear that actually lasts. These panties aren't just practical, they're versatile and stylish too. Available in multi-packs with a variety of colors, they make a thoughtful gift for moms, grandmas, or friends. Whether you need post-surgery support, maternity comfort, or everyday reliability, Molasus underwear has you covered, literally. Don't settle for less. Upgrade to Molasus and discover what it means to feel comfortable, confident, and carefree all day long.